In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can prevent people from reading your messages through your phone's notification. In this case, if they don't have access to your lock on your phone, they can't read your messages or they can't peep your messages. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Other people call it previewing of messages. That's it. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Telegram. It's very simple and easy. So to do this, just hop on here, move to your settings here. So you tap on this and you move to your settings. So you can do this for a private chat, you can do this for a group, and you can also do this for a channel as well. So now let's move to our notifications and sounds. And you can see here, I moved to my private chat. For the first one, you can see show message previews. I've turned it off. So on default, it should be on. So you just turn it off like this. And then you move to your group section and then you do the same for your groups as well. So you turn it off as well. And then you come to your channel and then you do the same. It's been turned on, so you just turn it off like this and you're good to go. So in this case, when someone sends you a message and it's on your notifications and then you lock your phone, nobody can peep your messages, you get it, unless they unlock your phone before they can read those messages. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.